Good morning guys, in front of me is Honor X8 and let me show you secret codes that you can use on this device. At first open your phone dealer, go to keypad if you are not in this panel, as this is the only place where we can enter secret codes. And let me start with the first one, which is *pound, *pound, 4 O's, #*. And here you can reach about phone, so all details regarding your device like model, build number, hardware version, both email numbers and so on are included here. So if you're curious about any of them, smoothly enter this short code and here you've got it. Let me go back. Another code that I want to share with you today is *pound, 4636, actually sorry, 426, #*. And here we've got FCM diagnostics, where you can check events and status. So this is how you can enter both options, and then you can also explore it a bit more. To do it, tap on more icon and select advanced view. As you can see now, you've got a bit more details regarding both options. So that's it, let me go back. And another code that you can use here, which is truly useful, is *pound, 225, #*. So here you've got the calendar info. Once you enter this code, you will have all your upcoming events displayed, no matter if they are stored in your Google Calendar, iOS Calendar, this device's internal storage, they will be all listed here. So let me go back. And actually the last code that I want to share with you today, it's a bit similar to the first one, and it goes *pound, 06 #. So here you've got your email details, email and serial number. So this is it, that will be all. These are all codes that I wanted to share with you today. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.